Today we will learn how we can trade at day trading strategies. There are three types of strategies like day trading, swing trading and position trading. Day trading means one trader who open a trade and close a trade at the same day. Like if you trade at 15 minutes, then you will need to open the trade at the same day. You will need to close the trade at the same day, and that is day trading. Today we will learn how we can trade at day trading techniques, how we can place our stop loss, and how we can take our profit in USDCAD, USD dollar against Canadian dollar, in 15 minutes charts. Although some people trade at 1 minute, some people trade at 5 minutes charts, some people trade at 13 minutes charts, but I think that 15 minutes is the ideal to trade in day trading techniques. So let's begin our trading. This is USDCAD 15-minute chart, and if we do day trading, then 15-minute is best. So this is 15-minute chart, and I will show you how you can trade any kinds of pair in 15-minute chart. Like if I draw a horizontal line here, then okay, I am drawing a rectangular line here, from here to here. So you will, okay, I am zooming out this. Just check this out. Just check this out. Okay, let me zoom in. Just watch this pair closely. That from here to here, price fall down, from here to here, and again price go from here to here, then price again come from here to here, price then go from here to here. If you watch very closely, then you can see that price went from here to here, from this point to this point. But did not touch this point. We will watch very closely this area. Why this area? Because we can see clearly that price went from here to here and then dropped from here to here. So we will watch very closely this area. But from this area, price slow down from here to here. So if we sold here, we can took some profit, but we will not take this trade. we will wait price to come this zone, this area. When price come this area, then we will sell from this zone, right? Where we will sell, like if we sold here, if we sold here and place our stop loss here, then like stop loss here and sold here, then our stop loss were only 13 pips. So if we target 1:2, then 26 pip is here, and we can see very clearly that price came to this zone and went further down, but we will not wait, we will took our profit from here. Take profit. This is our take profit zone. Take profit zone. So why we will trade 15 minutes chart in our day trading system, day trading strategy? Because 15 minutes chart is best to trade day trading, as it will reflects the very most data. Like this is previous day's data, like 22nd October, and we are taking our trade at 23rd October. So we are practicing, or we are taking our trade observing only our previous day's data, the very most, very recent data. So it will, the chance is that it will work, there is a good chance that it will work very properly. Although some trader prefer to trade at 5 minutes chart, some trader prefer to trade at 30 minutes chart, and sometimes some trader prefer to trade at 1 hour chart. But if we trade at 15 minutes chart, we can trade properly, because this is the best time frame to trade day trading. And there is some logic why we will take this trade. Logic number one, that if you watch very closely, that you will see that price came here and then from here to here price got rejected from here to here, from here to here, one candle. Again price, next candle went from here to here, and then again price got rejected from here to here. There's 2 candles got rejected from this zone. So this zone is very important zone. So if we took from this zone, then the possibility is very high that our trade will come in profit.